All right, people, today we have the top Shak impact wrench model TSPW1 from Banggood, and this puts out 380 foot-pounds, no, 380 newton meters of torque, which translates to 280 foot-pounds of torque. So let's take a look at this box. Okay, so it comes with one battery, really neatly packaged in the bubble wrap. User manual for the TSPW1. Okay. So here's the charger. Pretty simple. I think we're going to need an adapter for that. So definitely we need an adapter for the charger, because that won't work. So let's take a look at this. This is nice. Has a little protective clear case or nose cone on it. Here is the control. Okay. put it in reverse. I wonder if we can slow that down. Strange. Seems to move really fast for so in forward direction we can change it from large to small. In reverse, I guess it gives out full power regardless. There's very little speed control. You can see, like, that's the slowest it will go. It's flying. So it does have the hole in the anvil if you want to use a locking pin for your socket. And it has the hog ring on there. And it has a hex. So let me see if I have a hex around. Or a 1/4 inch bit. So here's a 3/4 inch, 3/4 spade. That's pretty cool. Huh. So you can use it basically as an impact driver. That is pretty neat. Has one LED there. I believe it is brushless. See, I'm not sure exactly if it is brushless. I'm going to have to check up on that, but I think it is brushless. So far, this is pretty neat. So we'll give it a try and see how it goes.